The first element that you need is the essential question. You're just basically going to go over the essential questions. You're not going to have to answer them. You're going to do that in your wrap up of all the material. The next thing is to make sure that you tell us why this matters. There's a section in your textbook that says, why does it matter? I simply cut and pasted it to the slide. The next element are the guiding questions. All you have to do is address the guiding questions. The next thing you need is, of course, your progress check. This is where the bulk of your information is going to come in answering the progress check question. You can have pictures, you can have maps, you can pretty much add anything else to it you want to doll it up. After that, we'll turn it in and we'll look at it. But again, this is just a short tutorial of the elements needed.